Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to multiply Microsoft Excel value. If you would like to multiply two column value in Excel, then you can use the simple formula to do this process. This video explains how you can multiply the Excel values. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology video. Open the Excel sheet what you would like to multiply the values. In this Excel sheet, I would like to multiply the two column value. So I have to add the formula here to set the equal. Then you have to select the column values. Then you have to add the asterisk symbol. The asterisk symbol is used for the Excel in multiply the values. After the asterisk, you have to add the another column. Then you have to just press enter. Now the column value has been multiplied. If you need to apply for the formula to entire row, you have to just drag it to here. Now the all rows column value has been multiplied. You can also use the another way to multiply the column value. I will show this. So I have to clear the values. First you have to add the equals. Then you have to add the product. After the open bracket, you have to select the value. Then you have to add the asterisk. Then you have to select the another column. Then you have to close the bracket. Now it has been multiplied for the column values. You can also apply this formula to all rows. That's it. In this way you can multiply the Excel values. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.